Best thing to see when it's major update season. Okay. Download and install. Keep the charging going. Oh. This step takes usually a long time, and because this is an Android 14 update, it's gonna take even longer, I'm sure. It's a big update, 1.3 giga. Hope there's not gonna be a black screen. I was reading online that someone got a black screen after doing this. Hope it's a good screen. Having a bit of coffee before the Android 14 update on Sony Xperia 1 Mark V. That's a lot of words. 21%. I'm gonna take a break and come back. Just to record it, time is 1:43. Almost finished, 88%. 2 p.m, 2:30, 2:26. Time is 2:26. Takes a long time to do this, but it's doing it. 92% should be ready soon. It has I'll put the release notes in the description if you want to read about what's new. There is some AI video editing app that will automatically cut videos for you. And I don't know, there was something else, but you write in the comments if you had any black screen problems. I saw someone mentioning that they had a black screen problem, that the phone wouldn't work after the update, so that makes me a bit nervous. But hopefully it's not the case this time. It was probably the phone was just locked. If that happens to you, you press the power button, long press on the power button to reset the phone, to force a restart. Oh, we're ready. Okay, while I'm talking, perfect. So it took 2:28. It's about 1 hour. I think it was 1 hour. You write in the comments how long it took. I can't remember when I started it, but we are ready for restart. Is it going to work or is it not going to work? Sony Xperia 1 Mark V. There's a bit of dust in this one. Looks like something is stuck there. Okay, I have to leave it. I'll take this piece of paper. Sony Xperia 1 Mark V in a Spigen case. I'll put links in the description for this case. It's a really good case. It's charging, still charging with a screen protector. I'll put a link in the description for the screen protector also. Very easy to apply, tempered glass. So let's see if it comes back, it restarts. Looks good so far. Usually it takes this long. Okay. Okay. That was a bit faster, that animation, I think. They changed the animation. Maybe it's the same. They definitely changed it. Something is different. Oh. The font, I think, is different. Interesting. Oh, and this is here for the phone. Yeah, it's definitely a new Android. Okay, successful. So we have Android 14. Should be Android 14. Still fast. System. Okay. Android 14. Right there. Okay, so we got Android 14. Update history. This is the update history so far. Some of the apps looks the same. Maybe this one, Video Creator, is the new app. Yeah, that's the app. This is the new Video Creator app. Have to agree. No notifications, but allow photos to automatically cut. You can set to cut, make a 30 seconds video. I tried it, but it's so it's not bad, but I think there was the music was there was something about the music. I think I couldn't choose specific music. Maybe they updated it now. Okay. Play Store security. This is about phone. Android version 14. Google Play system update. I have the latest, but always good to check this because you have to manually check this for some reason, I don't know why. Okay, so what changed in Android 14 for Xperia 1.5? Bokeh mode, the video creator, and bokeh mode on bokeh mode. Sounds like Pokemon. Pokemon. Video creator. I don't like this. There's not much info here. 1 minute read for the whole update to Android 14. So I have the bokeh mode. So let's try it. Bokeh mode. I don't even know where it is. This is bokeh effect. And it's pretty good actually. Wow. So we have bokeh mode. Not so good. It's doing a bit of, it's covering a bit the logo. I knew it. Look at it. Bokeh mode. So to show you what happens with the bokeh mode, this is not bad. This shows details, and now full bokeh mode, and you see it's making this strange blurry stuff around the I never like these artificial portrait modes, but I mean maybe for a person it's better if you have So this is the Photo Pro app. Further. Ah, 2x. There is 2x. That's nice. Video Pro app still works. I'm glad it works. Yeah. Everything still works, so that's pretty good. Still works. Thumbs up, it still works. Okay.